So today we're reviewing Alfredo's case. Alfredo came in wanting all-on-4 implants, and if you can see in the photos here, he was missing many teeth, but he had lots of teeth. He also had his bite collapsed, so that you can see the teeth are very worn down, and as a result, he's lost spaces between his jaws. So we told Alfredo, we don't have to take all your teeth out to do all-on-4. You have good teeth that we can save with crowns, and we can just replace the teeth that you need to replace with implants. Because that's what we did here on the bottom. And you can see, it's hard to tell, but we have increased his bite. So we made the teeth taller. So his bite is not as collapsed, and that way we can make the teeth right proportion and also allow for his tongue to have the space it needs. And you can see inside, underneath, the teeth are all the same. They're made from the same zirconia puck, so the colors match very well, even from teeth to crowns to implant crowns. And here you can see this is actually an implant bridge here, and these are all teeth. These are all teeth. He had a giant gap here that we closed with the crowns, and these were implants as well. But you can see how they match very well. On the other side, similar deal here. We had implants here and implants here. Everything was restored with the same material, so they match really well. Everything done in-house, so we're able to control the process. And this is Alfredo smiling, enjoying his new smile.